Hello everyone, my name is So Young Smith and I'm going to teach you about Padlet and how to use it in the classroom. Padlet is a virtual wall that allows people to express their common topic. Padlet is basically like an online bulletin board where parents, teachers, and students can post pictures, links, and collaborate and reflect on different topics. It is one of the easiest ways to communicate online. Padlet is free for everyone and is easy to use, so follow along and I will show you how to create your very own Padlet. To begin, you are going to type in Padlet.com and hit enter. The main screen is going to pop up. You will have to either create an account for free or you can log in. So since I already have an account, I'm going to hit log in. Simply going to put in my username and my password and hit enter or hit log in. The next screen that's going to pop up is Padlet main screen. So to create a Padlet, you're going to hit make a Padlet at the top of your dashboard. So I'm going to click make a Padlet. The next screen will be your template screen. You can either start with a blank screen or you can select one of these templates. So they offer wall template, canvas, stream, grid, timeline, map, back channel, and shelf. For my particular Padlet, I think I'm going to select a wall Padlet. So you're going to simply press enter and your Padlet is going to pop up. So the Padlet is going to pop up. You will be able to change all of these things that they have created for you. This is just a template that is already created, so you can change everything that you want to your liking. So at the top of the screen, you will see your title and your description. So to change your title and description, you will have to click on it and the title screen will pop up. So I'm going to type in my title, which is going to be what is Padlet, and then I'm going to click on the description box. I'm going to change the description box to So Young Smith Cool Tool Presentation. So Young Smith Cool Tool Presentation. So next you can change your appearance. So for example, how this wallpaper here is a pretty flower wallpaper. Only thing you have to do is click on appearance and go down to wallpaper. You're going to click on the wallpaper. You can change your wallpaper to something that you want to change it to on your own. You can select a picture, select different textures and patterns, or choose a solid color. So I'm going to go to textures and patterns, and I'm going to choose the one that's best for me. So I'm going to choose this one, and it will change your whole background or wallpaper appearance. You're going to hit the back button and you're going to go down. You can also change your color scheme and your font. You're going to scroll back up to the top and you're going to hit save. So once you hit save, your Padlet will now be saved. And then you will hit close. To write something on your wallpaper, you will double click on the screen and the text box will appear. So I'm going to double click on the screen and my text box has appeared. So now only thing you do is click inside the box and you write whatever you want to write. So I'm just going to write Padlet and then I'm going to put my name under it. Okay, so as you can see at the bottom of your text box, you see different icons. You will see all type of different icons. So the first one is Upload, that means you can upload a picture. A link means you can put copy and paste a link into that text box and the picture will automatically pop up. Or you can explore an image online, or you can take a picture with your computer. If you click on more options will appear. So for instance, you can draw on the screen, add a location, or link one of your other Padlets to this actual new Padlet that you are making. You can choose to edit, delete, or choose more options. And the more options also allow you to change the color of your text box. So we're going to click draw. To draw, you simply just choose whatever color you want to draw with. I'm going to choose this pink color, and I'm going to simply just doodle, just put whatever you want to put. So I'm going to put, let's just put AUM on here. And my doodling is not the best, so don't judge me. You can also change the background of your doodle from white to black, whichever one you prefer. So for this instance, I'm going to keep my doodle white, my background of my doodle white, and I'm going to hit save. Now it's saving your doodle. Once your doodle has successfully saved, it will appear at the bottom of your text box. And once you are done with that text, you just click out of that text box and it will automatically save. To add a new text, you can go down to the bottom of your Padlet and click add post. And another text box will appear. Another text box will appear. And you just simply write whatever you want to write in it. If you don't like the text box, you can simply click on delete the post and your whole post will get deleted. That is how you create your Padlet. Thank you all for taking the time out to watch my presentation.